Hi guys again, and yesterday was the last video, and anyway we'll play more Animal Jam. And anyway we have been I don't know, we have been koalas for some reason, but yeah. So this is Animal Jam, as you can see, and this is Animal Jam, as you can see. That's the man button. Join the club. The membership club. I like it. But anyway, if you hear that click, I was trying to get some water in the cup, even though as you can see, I got koala. Oops. Just ran in the water. Okay. Yeah, we got a spin. Yay! I hope it's a diamond. Because I don't like anything else. I hope it's right. Ah, that's the worst one ever. That is the mostly worst one. So, yeah. Oh, it's 50. I get it. And I like the koala much better than this thing. It's you might be surprised, but look, I accidentally took my bunny away, but it's okay because I don't want a bunny anymore. Because bunnies suck. Anyway, let me just have a little bit more water. And it's just the morning today, so yeah. I don't want to make sorry if you want me to make a video at night. I don't want to because because I normally make videos at the morning or at the afternoon, I don't know. But 2 times around. We mostly explored most of this place, so I actually want to be wait. Okay. I have not noticed that. Oh, I just want a raccoon and a fox and a deer and a horse. No, just kidding, I don't want a horse. But I do want them. I just want to go to the bunny again. It's just so cute. Isn't it? I want an elephant as well. No, I want a dolphin. It's cute. It's absolutely. I hope I do not get a monkey because I hate monkeys. They scare me. Monkeys are quite scary, to be honest. We should get a cuddly panda. We should get a wolf. No matter what, we should get a wolf. So, yeah. George's. Oh, I can't get Snowy, I'll keep that. Major. Lily with my sister. Leopard. Even though I'm not a leopard, I'm still a wolf. I'm scared that everyone sees me. Wait. So let me just customize. That doesn't close. I don't have my mouse, so it's quite hard. Ow, 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 ow. Okay, check. Oh, you get the light bulb blue. Ta-ta! What do you get that eye? You can't normally see it, but oh, that looks cute. That actually looks cute. That actually looks cute. That actually looks cute. That doesn't look cute. Oh, that one. That looks definitely not cute, I guess. Definitely not cute. Definitely not cute. Definitely not cute. No, cute. So now I'm a wolf. Oh. Why can't I move with the arrow keys? Ah, so stupid. Oh, I can't. What the? What's happening? Oh my gosh, adventures. What is happening? What's happening? Oh god, oh god, god. Oh thank goodness. If you just saw me like that, I would just like freak out. No, I don't want to do that. Let's go to this one. I like foxes, by the way, they're cute. Mostly, I like a raccoon, because raccoons are also cute. And they're quite funny. They laugh at you, not really. But they are quite animals, they bite. They do bite. They do absolutely bite. So, judge. Wait. Okay. I like that. I like the koalas better because they're cute. They're cute and funny. Not really, but look at my dance. Wait, you can see my mouth. I don't like the dance. I don't actually like the dance because I'm going meet Cosmo. I want to go and meet Cosmo. I want to meet Cosmo. That is so unfair. I'm just on level 1. I'm just a little calm. Returns of the Phantom. Phantom. I'll get random water. Please. Get level 2. Oh, that's not even fair. Like, I guess I have to. I want a host. That's not fair. Someone come. It's not fair. Because this is really hard for me. Okay, now it's deserted. So, guys, Animal Jam is fun. That's actually fun. Just kidding. Kidding. Wait. I'm stuck. I got stuck. I'm stuck again. It's so laggy. If you can see, it's so laggy. I'm slow. Snow. Nah, thank you. No. I hope that's new. Okay, those are new. Why are all of these stupid things on members? And we only get this old thingies. That is so unfair. Like, I want this. I definitely want this because it's just so awesome. The only members. We have to work together, Koala. I think I have to put that way. Koala. And it'll be an adventure. It'll be an adventure. It'll be an adventure. It'll be an adventure. Oh, I like that one. The song. Actually, I want a panda or something. It's Santa. Why can't we have like one party? But anyway, this has been 11 minutes. Wow. Wow. But I'll see you like later. Bye.